I can't believe it. I really can't believe it. YouTube, what's going on with y'all kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Weezy F baby, please say the baby. Back on the scene with a pocket full of green, and you know we go back like 2 flats on that Cadillac. Y'all know I'm country, so that's all I ride, big Cadillacs, you feel me? Hey man, welcome to the channel, and bro, all the new subscribers, bro, I appreciate y'all for coming and bro, just coming over here doing the thing, man, supporting your boy. And if this your first time watching me, make sure you do the same, man. Smash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything that I put out, and hit that like button to share this thing, man. Let's get the ball rolling, man. You know, do like the big timers. Get your roll on, you feel me? But nah, y'all see the title, the smile on my face, cause bruh, I know this is gonna be the hardest sneaker to get this year. But when I tell my subscribers, like when I tell y'all, I really appreciate y'all, like bruh, I really appreciate y'all, like it comes from the bottom of my heart. Now with this sneaker right here, this sneaker came from a subscriber, like she the homie now. She always been the homie, but she the real homie now. She the homie, man. She looked out for your boy big time. But I'm just ready to open these things up, man. I swear to God, man. So let's go ahead and open it. All right. Shout out to Nike for not putting the Just Steal It tape on there. But shout out to my girl Dion once again, man. Like I said, Dion is the homie. She had early access on these and she didn't even know. I got the notification to check my phone while I was at work. So I'm like, hold up. So I'm telling everybody, like, damn, I ain't got early access. So I'm texting everybody like, y'all, make sure y'all got early access. And she had early access on her phone, and then lo and behold, she went for a size 12 for your boy, so. Oh man, I'm too excited, y'all. I'm too excited, I'm sorry. Get that out of the way. Man, y'all see, now I never had these sneakers. When these sneakers first came out in 2010, your boy was broke. Your boy was in college broke. I'm still broke. I'm still a broke ass PE teacher, but I ain't college broke. You feel me? Me broke 10 years ago and me broke now. It's 2 different things. So y'all make sure if y'all in college, do your work, get your degree. You know that money gonna come. Take your time, cause the money gonna come. But I'm still broke, so don't let nobody fool y'all. But oh boy, man, just look at the box, man. Just take a look at the box. Y'all, anybody that knows me, I keep telling y'all know Kobe Bryant is my guy. That's my favorite player of all time. I know everybody like Michael Jordan, but I only saw like the tail end of Jordan, like the second 3-peat. That's when I really, you know, started knowing what was going on in basketball. But then Kobe came along and I was like, bruh, this dude legit. But y'all don't care about that. Y'all care about the shoes in this box. And the label reads, Kobe 6 Protro, green apple, black boat crimson, size 12, personal pair. Retailing for 180 of them rump shakers. 180 of them things, y'all. Let y'all see that tag. Get that focus for y'all. Bruh. We gotta look at it together. We gotta look at it together. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Oh. Pull the top back. Ooh, wait. Ooh, wait. Y'all just don't understand. Y'all don't know the half, boy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bruh, I don't know what to say. Bruh, I really don't know what to say. I'm speechless right now because, like I said, back in 2010 when these came out, your boy was broke. Broke as a joke. Broke in college, just trying to do the right thing, like Spike Lee. I was just trying to do the right thing, man. Get a degree, get a good job, going about his business. You feel me? But, whew, 10 years later, they came back to me. Let's go ahead and talk about the sneaker. Let's go ahead and get into detail. Releasing on Christmas Eve of this year, Christmas Eve 2020, retailing for 180 rump shakers. These Kobe Grinches, man. All right, like I said a few seconds ago, these originally came out back in 2010 on Christmas Day where my Lakers played against LeBron James and the Miami Heat. That was, I think that was the first year of the Big Three Heat. You know, that's why I ain't no LeBron fan, but it is what it is, man. Kobe debuted these while LeBron was wearing the Christmas LeBron 8s, I think it was. But I know Kobe was wearing these. I think Pau Gasol was wearing these, and I think it was Lamar Odom, if I ain't mistaken. But yeah, like I said, these came out in 2010. Kobe debuted these things Christmas Day, and bro, when they came out, like I said, I always wanted this sneaker, but it's just a beautiful thing, y'all. Now, when we first got wind of these this year, I know the dates were very inconsistent. Bro, like the first date I saw, it said early 2021. So I was already prepared to go ahead and get these in 2021. But I kept looking at other sites, and bro, 2020, December 2020. So I'm like, oh snap, here we go. We know 2020 has been a strange year. My boy passed away along with his daughter and some other people in the crash, which just caused everything Kobe to just spike up. And as a Kobe fan, as a Kobe guy, bruh, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I hate it, but I know there's nothing I can do about it. That's just the messed up part of the game. Like, bruh, I don't blame Nike for, you know, doing what they're doing, but at the same time, I feel like these should be mass produced. I mean, just to keep the resale down, man. You know, people like me, I'm lucky. I definitely feel like I'm lucky because I got these, and I had to know somebody to get these, which is crazy. I hit on a couple other Kobe's for this year, and like I said, I'm just lucky, man. Like, I'm a diehard Kobe fan. Kobe jerseys, Kobe t-shirts, like Kobe everything. And I wish other Kobe fans like myself could hit, but you know, it's just a messed up part of the game as far as the resellers and the scalpers and everything, man. But it is what it is, man. You know, you got to beat the reseller. That's what I keep telling y'all. You got to find a way to beat the reseller. I was about to pay $500 for a pre-order for these. And Lord knows I ain't want to do it because I had just dropped 6 on the PlayStation 5 bundle. Luckily, I got my PS5 for retail. Like, bruh, if I can avoid spending resale, bruh, I'm going to do that because I'm frugal. That's that word again, that SAT word again for y'all. I'm very frugal. But going into details of the sneaker, man, as y'all can see, we have that snake skin upper representing the Black Mamba. Now, a Black Mamba it's not really green. It's more like of a lime color snake. Y'all know, man, it's called the Black Mamba because of the black mouth that the Black Mamba has. All right. Now, on both sides of the sneaker, we have a black Nike check, Nike swoosh on that thing for y'all. And along the tongue, we have a red Kobe symbol on the tongue. And heading into the back heel, we have Kobe's signature in red. Not too much to say about this sneaker though. Like, if you pay attention to the toe, it says Phenomenon. And Kobe did have a cheaper line of basketball shoes. I think they came out back in like 2016, the Kobe Phenomenons. Definitely a good hooping sneaker. Like, those were comfortable. I had a pair, but I gave mine away to somebody back in the day that really wanted a pair that couldn't afford it. So I ended up giving those away. All right, I'm not going to take the insole out, but I know the insoles do say I want a shoe that molds to my foot. And this sneaker definitely molds to your foot. I know it has fly wire on the inside. I'm not sure if the OGs had fly wire on the inside, and you can pretty much see it. I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll. You're probably getting it now, but you definitely can see the fly wire in these. They also come with a set of extra laces, the red laces. When I do these, I'm definitely gonna rock the red laces with mine. I'm gonna swap it out, get my Jada sneaker guy on. I'm definitely gonna swap the laces out for this one. And with the extra laces on our Ziploc bag, we have the Nike logo on that, with the Nike swoosh and the Nike logo. So if y'all getting early pairs, just make sure your lace bag looks just like this. It's kind of a longer lace bag than what we usually get on the Jordan 1s. Not fat, but it does have the Nike logo on that. Let y'all see that. So make sure y'all take a look at that. If y'all getting early pairs, make sure y'all look at this so y'all don't end up with any fugazi pairs. But other than that, y'all let me know how y'all feel about these. Are you going for these? I know everybody and their grandma probably gonna try to shoot for these joints, and it's gonna be a lot of L's. But like I said, I'm just lucky. Shout out to my homegirl Dion for looking out for me. Like I said, she know I'm a real Kobe fan. I've been a Kobe fan since I was 8 years old. His rookie year, that been my boy ever since, man. And hey man, just shout out to Kobe's estate, and shout out to Nike for letting us get these, man. Just letting me get them. I don't know what else to tell y'all as far as the sneakers app or the flex app. It's just a chance of luck, man. It's just how your luck is. Are the basketball gods gonna bless you? Are the sneaker gods gonna bless you? I feel like both bless me, you know. Shout out to the basketball gods and the sneaker gods, man. This is one I wanted for 10 years. Resale was at $1,000 on these, and if I spend $1,000 on the sneaker, I better turn into like Mike. You feel me? I'm just saying, man. My high school basketball coach, my big bro, Josh, he definitely won a pair of these, and I owe him because I didn't hit on the Bruce Lee Kobe's for him. But I'm definitely gonna try for him with these. So, hey man, like I said, I just wish everybody luck, man. That's all I can say, man. But Kobe, the sneaker gods, the basketball gods, they bless your boy. But like I said, let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. I'm gonna give y'all some quick B-roll, and we gonna get out of here, baby. Alright, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that. But once again, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy, bringing y'all the Kobe 6 Protro Grinch. Y'all let me know if y'all going for these, man. But anyway, hey, y'all know how we get out of here, baby. Love, peace. With all this beef, put some chicken grease on that thing. Go.